Welcome to the S squared crib. Come. So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. I'm gonna just take you guys into the kitchen first. So obviously we haven't painted anything. We've literally just signed the lease. So we're gonna paint starting tomorrow. So this is the only thing I'm not overly thrilled with the countertops, but you know what? It's actually not that bad. We can cope. So it looks like a lot of cupboard space, but having lived in this unit, I know otherwise. So we actually have a double entrance into the living room. So one from the kitchen, one from the hallway. So this is the living room, dining room combination, and pardon the giant echo. Nice and bright. So we will have our dining room in this nook, and then we'll have our couches and chairs over here, because in this area, we are going to actually have a projector instead of a regular television. So that's going to be the projection wall. And this is our backyard. We've got technically 3 little edge gardens and a lot of patio stones. So that'll be fun and exciting to check out. And then coming back over here, we have obviously the hall closet. I have a wild Scot somewhere up the stairs. So, oh, he's in the kitchen. So, heading up the stairs, we have just this mini landing and then all of the rooms. So I'm gonna start in Scott's office. So this is Scott's office. This is actually the same room that my dad has as his office. So this room isn't too large and crazy, but it'll suffice for what he needs. And then the room you guys all know all too well is the equivalent of my bedroom in my unit. So this is my bedroom's unit, or my bedroom in my unit, and it's gonna be my office and studio. Except, so the major difference between my unit and this unit, or I should say my dad's unit and our unit, is that our cupboards are not sliding doors, they're actually doored, which is nice. And then down the hall, we obviously have the bathroom. Woo. Bathroom, which is a slightly different mirror setup than what I have. And then, you know, just like regular tiles, the exact same tiles I have. Nothing extraordinarily exciting. Then we have our linen closet, which I already have a grand master plan for. Super stoked about that. And then finally we come to the master. Now again, this master is a little bit cooler because of the fact that we have built-in closets, or I should say built-in closets. We've got 2 double doors, actually just walk in. So these are what the closets are. Obviously I have the main door open still, but they built them out quite a bit. Just open those up. So there's quite a lot of depth in there. Now one thing that these units don't have is they don't actually have rods here. It's like a little flick up here, which I hate, but I'm just gonna throw a couple dowels up, and I have some built-in ideas here. All right, so we have a basement. It's not finished or anything. It's nothing really exciting. It's like a furnace. So yeah, so I'm not gonna bother sharing that, but that is our home. Like I said, we start painting tomorrow. I'm super excited. We move everything in on Sunday. Scott and I have a Thai cooking course, so we're gonna go to that, take a break from moving, come back and finish moving stuff in. Scott's mom and dad are gonna help us out. My dad's gonna help us out. We have friends helping us paint, and helping miscellaneous moving. So shout out to everybody for helping us. Love it and appreciate it. Now we really need to get some fans because there's no AC in here and I'm sweating buckets already. But yeah, so welcome to the S squared house. So I will be showing you guys up on my blog and my Instagram and maybe an updated video when we finished designing everything and filling everything in. So remember, give this video a like, a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment and tell me either your biggest moving nightmare or one of the best things to happen when you're moving. And I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya!